I'm going to be sharing different ways to do faux marble techniques. So what I have is my little vases here that I have painted white. Basically it's just some drink cartons that I cut off the top and they're cleaned out. So the first video is going to show a faux marble with just hand painting. So you're going to do all the veining and kind of make it look how you want. And then there's going to be some other videos showing different techniques as well. I have my first vase here and some paintbrushes and some different kind of marble colors. This one made a big mess, so that's why it kind of looks goopy. I have white, a plain gray, kind of like a light gold color, a copper, and then a silver. So basically, take whatever color, and you're just going to be doing this by hand. And you can look at reference photos of marble, make it better, but I am doing it just really quickly. You can do it as perfect or as quickly as you want as well. And then this is a good technique too because you can do whatever colors you want. I'm going to try and do all my marble vases sort of like the more traditional color of marble.